Okay, good morning to all of you once again. Yesterday we revised some important things related to home arithmetic or household arithmetic, and time was finished at last while solving questions. Questions solve करते आते शक्य थे, so I'd
Yes, sir.
like to revise the questions for you. We were solving one question related to electricity bill or something that. So look at this question, which is related to telephone bill. The minimum charge up to 100 call is rupees 250. If charge for each additional call is rupees 1.50, how much will be the charge for 420 calls? So it's simple question, but rules are different than as we learned from our book or yesterday we learned. अब त्यहाँ कस्तो थियो भने 175 कल्सको 200 रुपियाँ चार्ज लाग्छ, त्यसपछि रुपी 1 चार्ज लाग्छ भनेर हामीले पढाएको थियौँ. यो अलिकति यस्तो डिफ्रेन्ट छ. क्वेसन मे बी लाइक दिस अल्सो. यो चाहिँ अलग कम्पनीको अलग रेट अनुसार यस्तो पनि हुनसक्छ है. सो मिनिमम चार्ज इज 250 for 100 calls, and after that for each extra call we have to pay 1.50. यहाँ हामीसँग टोटल 420 calls छ. We have to pay charge for 420 calls with 10% telecom service charge and 13% VAT. So charge for 420 call. To calculate it, we have to divide it into two parts. 100 plus 320. 100 calls को लागि मिनिमम चार्ज लाग्ने भयो भने एक्स्ट्रा बचेको 320 calls को लागि एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज लाग्ने भयो. So divide it according to that. Total calls are 420. Okay, please mute yourself. Sound is coming from someone's mic, so please mute yourself.
Sir.
Samsir is what Samsir is doing. So don't unmute yourself without reason. If necessary, then only unmute yourself. Okay. So at first I have written these 420 calls as given in question. यही नहीं लेखेको यहाँनिर, and charge for 100 call is 250. And after that, additional call remaining after these minimum 100 calls. 100 call बाहेक 320 calls are the additional calls. So cost of these additional calls को cost 1.50 ले additional cost लाई additional calls लाई multiply गर्यो, and it becomes 480 rupees. And so the total cost means minimum cost plus additional cost, extra charge plus minimum charge, यो दुईटा add गरेर total cost आउने हो. I have written here directly without writing formula. If I am fast, you may say, sir, please go slowly, okay? Okay. Now cost with 10% telecom service charge. यो 730 जुन हामीले टोटल कस्ट निकाल्यौँ, यसमै यसको 10% एड गर्ने हो. 730 is total cost plus 10% of this cost gives us cost with telecom service charge, and it is 730 plus 10% means 10 by 100 into 730. By adding these values we get 803, and after that cost with 13% VAT. अब यसमा 13% VAT पनि एड गर्यौं भने In that case it becomes 803 plus 13% of 803 जुन माथि आएको भ्यालु थियो सुरुको 730 मा भ्याट एड गर्ने होइन है we have to add the VAT after the value after telecom service charge add गरिसकेपछि आएको भ्यालुमा VAT एड हुन्छ always VAT is added on the final value so 803 is the final value before adding the VAT VAT एड गर्नुभन्दा पहिला जुन फाइनल भ्यालु छ त्यसमै एड गर्नुपर्ने हो and it becomes 907 here I have written it directly यो कसरी आयो त 13% of 803 that means 13 divided by 100 into 803 is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear either copy it
Yes, sir.
or take a screenshot.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Screenshot taken.
Okay, then let's move to next question. Question related to water bill. Simple question is included here. Afterward, we'll discuss about another question also because it is very simple and very short question. The amount of water bill of household of month Baisakh is rupees 220. यहाँ बिल अलरेडी दिएको छ हामीले बिल क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्ने छैन ओके amount of water bill is 220 calculate the amount to be paid with miscellaneous charge rupees 5 if the payment is made on first week of just receiving 3% rebate means discount 220 बिल छ भनेको छ यसमा 5% miscellaneous charge लाग्छ that means charge is added and rebate means discount is subtracted we will get discount means we have to pay less money so rebate is subtracted at first monthly water bill or water bill of month Baisakh is rupees 220 3% rebate means 3% discount which is subtracted from the bill that is 3% of 220 it is 6.60 so I think there is no problem in it 3% of 220 you can calculate it 3 by 100 into 220 similarly miscellaneous charge given in question is rupees 5 so bill total bill of water is monthly bill which comes according to our meter reading but आएको bill rupees 220 हो यसमा 3% discount पाउने भयो which is subtracted and miscellaneous charge rupees 5 is added to it and totally it becomes rupees 218.4 is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay, can I move to next question? If there is any problem,
Yes,
you may
sir.
ask. So look at next one. One question which we were discussing yesterday. I think it is similar, same question. In a house, the electricity meter reading on Chaitra 30 was 1050. Chaitra 30 ma reading 1050 थियो. On Baisakh 30, it was found to be 1250. Time was finished. Yesterday we were solving this question and our meeting ended yesterday. So I am repeating this question for you again. It was found to be 1250 units. So this one is the current reading and this one is the previous reading. 1050 previous reading bhayo bhane 1250 current reading. What is the charge to be paid if rates of charge are as follows? Rates are given here. Minimum charge up to 20 units is 80 rupees and after that 7.30. So while solving it at first we have to find out consumed units Directly we can write this, or at first you can write current unit 1250, previous units 1050, and then consumed units is equal to 1250 minus 1050. दुईटै भ्यालुहरू प्रिभियस रिडिङ र करेन्ट रिडिङ लेखिसकेपछि माइनस गरे पनि हुन्छ, or you can write it directly also. I have written here directly. It is 200 units. Now, out of 200 units, for minimum 20 units, we have to pay 80 rupees. So, additional units are 200 subtracted from 20. 20 units are subtracted from 200 to get extra units. This gives us 180 units. Charge for additional units, it is 180 into 7.30. यो extra units को rate यहाँ दिएकै छ, त्यही rate multiply गरेको हो. Either you can write rate here, charge for each additional unit equal to 7.30, and after that you can write this. I have made it short, and it gives us 1314. So total charge is 80 plus this additional value. 80 rupees is minimum charge. Minimum charge 80 rupees and additional charge 1314. Total is 1394 by adding both values. So this one is our required answer. So is there any problem in any line?
No, sir.
Okay, if no, let's go to next question related to taxi fare. If you want to ask more question, you may ask to me afterward also, and then I'll solve in tomorrow's class. Okay, this question we already solved. पहिला पनि यो question solve गरेको थियो, and because we are under revision, so I am repeating it again, because there are only 2-3 type of questions in your book, and some other question you can check from example of your book or from internet or from any other books. Okay, so question is, Hemraj used taxi for a distance of 7 kilometers from Singhadarbar, Kathmandu to Santhimi, Bhaktapur. Taximeter charged the minimum rupees 14 at first and the fare at the rate of 7.20 per 200 meter. If the period of traveling there was waiting time charged rupees 7.20 per 2 minutes for 4 minutes waiting, how much amount did Hemraj pay for the fare? Question is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
हेमराजले सिंहदरबारबाट ट्याक्सी लिएर सानोठेमी भक्तपुरसम्म 7 किलोमिटर ट्राभल गर्यो. त्यो ट्राभल गर्ने ड्युरेसनमा उसले 4 मिनट ट्याक्सीलाई वेट पनि गरायो. So according to rate of taxi fare, he have to pay minimum 14 rupees. After that 7.20 per 200 meter, 200 meter को 7.20 को रेटले त्यो पनि पे गर्नुपर्ने छ, प्लस 4 minute waiting गराएको waiting charge. It's okay. If question is clear, let's go to solution. Distance traveled is 7 kilometer. Minimum fare is 14. Fare for 200 meter is 7.20. Yesterday we discussed about this one. You calculation कसरी गर्ने भन्ने हिजो डिस्कस पनि गरेका थियौँ. बिलो द टेबल रेट्स को टेबल तल यो डिस्कस गरेका थियौँ. यो 7.20 200 मिटर को चार्ज हो. 200 लाई 5 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने 1 किलोमिटर हुन्छ. I am repeating it again. If 200 is multiplied by 5, it becomes 1 kilometer. So 7.20 is also multiplied by 5. It is equal to rupees 36. For every kilometer, Hemraj have to pay 36 rupees. So fare of 7 kilometer becomes 36 into 7. It is 252. To it, minimum fare 14 is added. Again, we have to calculate waiting charge for 4 minutes also. Waiting charge is 7.20 per 2 minute. 2 minute को waiting charge 7.20 छ भने 1 minute को waiting charge is 7.20 divided by 2. Waiting charge for 1 minute, and if it is multiplied by 4 it becomes waiting charge for 4 minutes, which is rupees 14.4. This 14.4 rupees is waiting charge. Now we can calculate the total charge easily, because 14 rupees is minimum fare. This one 14 rupees, and similarly 252, it is fare for 7 kilometer, and 14.4 it is fare for waiting charge. यो तीनटा भ्यालुहरू एड गर्यो भने we will get the total charge of taxi fare. Total taxi fare is 14 plus 252 plus 14.4. These ticked values we added here, so it becomes 280.4. Is there any confusion? Is this clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's move to next question. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Previously, while solving question of water bill, we discussed a simple question in which bill was already given. Bill calculate गर्नुपर्ने थिएन, त्यसैले यहाँ फेरि मैले bill calculate गर्नुपर्ने question पनि include गरेँ. There is half-inch water supply pipeline in Sunmaya's house. The current and previous reading in Asoj are 2382 and 2345 respectively. Find the answer of following question on the basis of above given bill chart. That means bill chart is given in your book as well. I have not included here. यहाँ इन्क्लुड गरेको छैन है. यो चाहिँ बुकमा दिएको क्वेसन हो. त्यही टेबलमा बुकमा दिएको टेबल नै हामीले युज गर्ने हो है. And how much amount does Sunmaya pay with 50% drain service charge? यो ड्रेन सर्भिस चार्ज भनेको वाटर सप्लाईलाई जुन वाटर उनीहरूले आफ्नो सप्लाई सेन्टर छ अर सोर्स छ त्यहाँदेखि हाम्रो घरसम्म लाइन्सहरू बिछ्याएको हुन्छ. लाइन्सहरू बिछ्याउँदाखेरि त्यहाँ केही प्रब्लम्सहरू हुन्छ, रिपेयरिङ एज वेल एज वाटर कम्स अप टु आवर होम थ्रु द पाइप्स. त्यो पाइपमा के प्रब्लम्सहरू आएको बेला रिपेयर गर्छन्. क्लियरेन्स चार्ज, त्यो सबै ड्रेनेज सर्भिस चार्ज यसमा पर्छ. So given thing here is current and previous reading are 2382 and 2345. 2382 is current reading, previous reading 2345, and water consumed is 37 units IO. And what is meaning of 1 unit?
1000
1000
1000
What
cubic
hour?
meter or something. No, liter.
1000 liters. That means
Yes, sir.
Sunmaya consumed 37,000 liters.
जाने किस मोड़ पर आ गई हूँ मैं सब कुछ
Oh,
बेअसर
who is this person? Today also any person as like yesterday's name entered here. Okay, sometimes you may check your friends list or participants list and you can tell me, okay? If any unknown person entered, please inform me. Shekhar, Ajit or any other, you may inform me. Because generally I am observing the screen only. Okay, if you will check the rules for half-inch pipe in your book, minimum up to 10,000 liter, that means up to 10 unit we have to pay minimum charge 100 rupees, and after that rupees 32 per unit. भन्नाले यो 10 युनिट र 27 युनिट दुईटा पार्टमा डिभाइड गर्नुको रिजन के हो भने 10 युनिटसम्म मिनिमम चार्ज 100 रुपिज पे गर्नुपर्छ, त्यसपछि जो एक्स्ट्रा 27 युनिट्स कन्ज्युम भयो त्यसको लागि रुपिज 32 पर युनिट यो रेटमा पे गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Because of that we divided these 37 units into two parts, 10 plus 27. Now total water bill, or we can write it as minimum charge for 10 unit is 100 and extra units 37 minus 10 charge for extra units as like last calculation. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिलकोमा हामीले मिनिमम चार्ज लेखेका थियौँ, त्यसपछि 37बाट 10 माइनस गरेर 27 एक्स्ट्रा युनिट्स लेखेका थियौँ, त्यसरी गरे पनि हुन्छ है. And total water bill is 100 plus extra charge 27 into 32. It is equal to 964. Now extra thing is 50% drain service charge हामीले पे गर्नुपर्ने छ according to the question. Bill is 964 only. On this 964 rupees we have to pay extra 50% charge of 964. So I've written it directly here. Your 964 plus 50%, that is 50 by 100 of 964. सबै एड गरिसकेपछि आउने भनेको 1446 rupees. So this is our required answer. Do you have any problem here?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
यसलाई हामीले यसरी पनि लेख्न सक्थ्यौँ है. डाइरेक्टली जुन तरिकाले यहाँ गऱ्यौँ यसरी नगरेर यो वाटर कन्ज्युम्ड is saying time remaining is 10 minutes. Okay, we will finish within 10 minutes. यति गर्न सक्थ्यौँ. अनि यति गरिसकेपछि यहाँनिर यो रेट्स लेख्यौँ. रेट्स लेखेर के गर्न सक्थ्यौँ, एक्स्ट्रा युनिट्स extra units is equal to 37 minus 10 is equal to 27. यसरी पनि गर्न सक्थ्यौँ है. एक्स्ट्रा युनिट्स आर 27 अनि यो एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज अलगबाट 27 into 32 यहाँनिर मल्टिप्लाई गरेर पनि निकाल्न सक्छौँ. बट आई हेभ रिटन इट डाइरेक्टली. 37 युनिट टोटल छ, 27 एक्स्ट्रा युनिट भयो, 10 युनिटको लागि 100 रुपिस र एक्स्ट्रा 27 into 32. Is this clear to you all? You may do
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
this way also. यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So let's move to the next question. Some question is repeated here. Okay. Okay. D number of 10 question. How much discount does Sunmaya get if she has to pay bill within first and second month of the billing date? अब त्यसको लागि बुक आफूसँग अहिले पल्टाऊ. बुक मस्ट बी देयर विथ यू. आफूसँग बुक राख्ने गर या सफ्ट कपी कम्प्युटरमा
3%.
मोबाइलमा राख्ने गर. सेकेन्ड मन्थ फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड मन्थमा पे गर्यो भने 3% डिस्काउन्ट पाइन्छ. विल गेट 3% डिस्काउन्ट. एकछिन अगाडि भर्खर मात्रै 1446 रुपिज यो बिल निकाल्यौँ. यो क्वेसन नम्बर ए वी क्यालकुलेटेड इट. So 3% of it is 43.38. This is the discount and this is the answer of B number. Okay, यो 1446 कहाँबाट आयो? We get it from here only. यहाँबाट आएको है. 1446 rupees is the total bill with drain service charge. And within first and second month if it is paid, someone has written something in chat. Sound is small.
Now it is clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
It was little bit.
Okay, okay. So this one 43.38, 3 by 100 of 1446, 43.38 is the discount. Similarly, I don't want to screen share it again because already it is displayed on your screen. No need to go slideshow. So how much does she pay as the extra charge if she had paid the bill on fourth month? अब fourth month मा पे गरे भने के हुने भन्ने रुल पनि छ. Fourth month मा पे गरे भने we have to pay 10% extra charge. So question is how much does she pay as extra charge? Extra charge सुनमायाले कति पे गरिन्? So this extra charge is equal to 10% of 1446, which is rupees 144.6. 10 by 100 of 1446. Okay. Some more questions are there which are related to. These are simple questions. Bill कति होला भनेको छ. How many total phone calls have been made? Previous calls र current calls यहाँ दिएको छ. यो दिइसकेपछि दुईटैलाई सब ग्रेटर भ्यालुबाट स्मलर भ्यालु वा करेन्ट रिडिङबाट प्रिभियस रिडिङ माइनस गरेपछि सिम्पली आइहाल्छ 337 calls. I think there is no problem in it. यसमा त समस्या नहोला नि, खाली नम्बर अफ कल्स मात्रै निकाल्न भनेको छ. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Similarly,
next question is what is the total tariff of what is the total tariff of the calls if 200 for 175 call and after that rupee 1 per call. त्यसपछि 1 per call लाग्छ भने अहिले भर्खरै just now you have seen here total number of calls, total tariffs यहाँनिर 337 भनेको थियौँ. By subtracting 3452 from 3789 यो subtract गरेर 337 calls आयो and we have to calculate the bill for it. त्यसकै लागि bill calculate गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay, so at first it is divided into two parts. यसलाई दुईटा पार्टमा यसरी डिवाइड गर्दा पनि भयो 175 plus 162 अथवा यस्तो नगरेर यहाँनिर number of extra calls भनेर लेख्दा पनि भयो. Okay, number of extra calls equal to के हुने भयो त number of extra calls equal to 337 minus 175. यो माइनस गरेपछि आउने कति नै हो 162. This is the extra call. यसरी निकाले पनि हुन्छ. Number of extra calls is 162. So tariff of calls भनेको 200 minimum call को charge हुने भयो 200 is charge for minimum calls. Minimum calls I have not written here. So minimum calls equal to 175. Total bill is added. Sorry, total bill is calculated by adding charge for minimum calls 200 and charge for extra calls 162. हरेक कलको लागि 1 रुपैयाँ युज हुन्छ भने जति एक्स्ट्रा कल छ त्यति नै लाग्ने हो. And total it is 362. While writing we have to write these in same line. यो इक्वल टुहरु चाहिँ हाम्रो कपीमा लेख्दाखेरि ध्यान दिनुपर्छ है. This is the general culture of mathematics. Rule चाहिँ होइन, it is culture. यसरी लाइनमा लेख्नुपर्छ भन्ने कल्चर छ. And it looks attractive also if you write in same line. C number, what will be the amount of bill on adding 10% telecom service charge? यसमा 10% telecom service charge add गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ भने चाहिँ त्यही एड गरिदिनु 10% of 362 and it becomes 398.2. 10% of 362 36.2 निकाल्यो. त्यसपछि एड गरेपछि यति भयो. The amount of bill on adding 13% value added tax. फेरि यो 398.2 जुन आएको चार्ज छ with telecom service charge 13% VAT is added on it. Sound is not clear again.
Your sound is a little bit small, sir. Difficult to hear.
Okay. Now you are hearing it.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Problem is while typing I left the mic from my hand. Headphone मा भएको mic hand use गरेर माउथ नजिकै थियो. टाइप गर्न सुरु गरे छोडे त्यसपछि त्यही रह्यो. Okay. So if 13% VAT is added, it becomes 449.96. Okay, this much for today. Tomorrow, if you will ask some question, I will solve in class. Other